What to do if your car's bonnet won't open. The standard car bonnet lock mechanism consists of the following components: cable, buffer stop with ejector, latch release lever, latch and return spring, safety catch handle, interior bonnet release handle. To open the bonnet, pull the interior bonnet release handle, which is connected to the bonnet lock by a cable. The cable acts on the latch release lever, which holds the latch in place. The ejector spring lifts the bonnet, which is held in place by the safety catch. To fully open the bonnet, press the handle of the safety catch located under the bonnet. If nothing happens when you pull the interior bonnet release handle, the lock may be defective. Causes of lock failure/cable jamming. End of service life for lock mechanism components. Unfavorable operating conditions. Bonnet misalignment resulting in improper fit of the locking components. Damage caused by a car accident. What to do if the bonnet doesn't open? Firstly, you need to determine which component of the bonnet lock mechanism has failed, the lock or the cable. To do this, pull the interior bonnet release handle. If it is loose, then there is a problem with the cable. Remove the interior trim part near the handle and make sure it is connected to the cable.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
If it's not connected, pull the end of the cable with combination pliers and the bonnet will open. Important: do not pull on the sheath, but on the metal cable itself. If the cable break is under the bonnet, use a torch and mirror to inspect the area behind the radiator grille. Working in the space between the radiator grille and the engine cooling radiator, grasp and pull the end of the broken cable. If the cable is broken or has come off near the lock, you'll need to act directly on the lock mechanism by hooking it with a wire. A stretched or broken cable must be replaced. If the cable is intact, the cause of the bonnet lock mechanism failure is likely the lock itself. In this case, 2 people are needed to open the bonnet. One to gently press the bonnet where the lock is located, and the other to pull the interior handle. A severely worn lock should be replaced. If you believe the lock is jamming due to low air temperature, you should warm up the engine and take the car to a warm place. If both the cable and the lock are functional, but the bonnet still doesn't open, it is likely that the bonnet ejector is broken. To check the ejector spring, press on the bonnet surface. If there is no movement, it is defective. In such a case, lift the bonnet forcefully by hand to open it. Maintenance tips for the bonnet lock mechanism. 1. Adjust the lock. Adjustment is done by loosening the fasteners of the lock until the bonnet can be opened and closed with ease. 2. Never slam the bonnet shut. This can disable the lock and the cable and damage the bodywork itself. 3. Avoid exposing the mechanism to moisture. In winter, dry the underbonnet area well after washing the car. 4. Remember the importance of preventive care. Regularly lubricate the bonnet lock and the space inside the cable sheath with a special silicone-based product after cleaning them with a special spray. 5. Do not allow the cable to bend or break.